All right, let's begin our math by counting to 100. We're going to count by ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Make sure you're counting with me and not going ahead. Let's count by fives. That's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be learning about nickels and we're going to be doing a lot of counting by fives. So let's start with 5. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And last but least, let's count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Good job. All right, we're going to continue. We're going to learn more about money today, about nickels. And you have nickels in the back of your book that you can tear out. You should have this worksheet that says nickels at the top, that worksheet. But before we start talking about that, I want to talk to you about even and odd numbers because you're going to be learning some of this on some of these worksheets, some of the review stuff. So I want to teach you a little bit about even or odd numbers. An even number means that it has a pair. Let me show you. I'm trying to think the best way to show you. I have these my little cubes here. See, okay, good. Make sure you can see them. All right, so I have 10 here. So the way you find out if it's an even or an odd number, and you're going to see this on some of your tests that I give you, because I have tests where they taught this in this book earlier. What they want you to do is pull. You don't have these. You can use your little, can you see? Your little squares for your 100 chart. That's what you're going to have to make do with. Since we don't, if you were with me, I would make little things like this for you. So what you do is pull one off on each end and we're going to connect. Okay. So that's a pair. Let's see if we can connect them. Pull one on each end. And this is like counting by twos. 2, 4. Pull one off on each end they want you to do. You got a pair there. Pull one off on each end. And we got a pair there. So it ends that there's pairs. See how I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See how I'm counting by twos because there's 2 there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's how you know 10 is an even number. Okay. Now let me put these together. I'm going to take, let's see. I'm going to do 7. Take these away. All right, so I have 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 6. Oh, I thought I had 7. I'm sorry. I want 7. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I have 7 cubes. So once again, I'm going to pull one off on each end, and I'm going to make them into pairs. They got to have partners. Okay. So these guys have partners. Pull this one off. These guys are partners. So I got 2, 4, 6. Look, this guy doesn't have a partner. He's odd man out. So that's how you know it's an odd number, because he doesn't have a partner. So 7 is odd. You write on my board here for you. I'm going to try teaching you some other things on my board with odd and even. So even, we said 10 was even. The word even, E-V-E-N. Odd is O-D-D. Whoops. That was a silly looking D I made on there. An odd number, we said 7 was odd. Now, if you look on our hundreds chart, let me get mine in my other hundreds charts. I can even write on this for you. This will work out good. My hundreds charts. So my odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So if you go all the way down through these are all odd numbers. If they end in a 1, the number ends in a 1, 3, my 5's not right. 5, I'm sorry, I didn't realize I had that down to 5, 7, or 9. Those are odd, okay? Those are odd numbers. They're not going to have pairs. If you have 2, 4, 6, 8, it's 10 there, but if it's a 0 on the end, those are all even, because if you divide them like how I just showed you, they'll all have partners. Those are even numbers. I'm going to do again I'll do it on my board here. I'll use some circles. Let's try 3. Remember, you want to have a pair. So these guys can be together. That's your pair. I guess I should have got your pair there. This guy doesn't have, he's the odd man out. So 3 is odd. Okay. Try to do, let's do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. How can I, you know what? I'm going to connect them like that. How about that? Does that help you better to see the pair? So there's 1, 2. I got those 2 together. These 2 are together. These 2 are together. Is there anybody? Everybody has a partner. Do you see how everybody has a partner? So this number is even because everybody has a partner. Let me do another one. Let's try 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's partner them up. This guy has a partner. This guy has a partner. Does he have a partner? No. So 5 is an odd number. See, we gotta have the partners together. And when they don't have, he's odd man out. 5 is an odd number. I'll review some of that more with you and teach you more about it because you will have, I don't know if it's the test for, because I was looking ahead. I don't think it's the test for this. Yes, it is a test for this Friday. There on this Friday's test, it does ask you if, and they give you a cue, but if it's odd or even 9. So that is on your test Friday. So I'll review some more with you about odd and even numbers because we didn't learn, our other math book didn't teach us about odd and even numbers. So I think it's important for you to know that, what is odd and what's even. Okay, let's continue with our money. Money, money, money. We have pennies. And this up here says, well, first of all, write, if you can write your name. Remember I told you about how the copier machine. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies, 5 cents. Remember that little C with the line through it is a cent, means cent. 5 cents. And then we have, they showed you one side of the nickel. You should have a whole page of those in your nickel. And don't get it confused with a quarter. Nickels and quarters, they're a little smaller. Nickel is 5 cents. 5 cents, okay? So if you were counting, you could count, let me show you here. See again on my table, I got some nickels, little paper nickels out. I'll put all the heads up so they all look the same to you. Let's count how much money we have here. We're going to count by 5s to know how many cents because we know each one of these is a 5. Each one of those is worth 5 cents. So let's count. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I have 35 cents. Let me write, you know what? I'm going to write that on the dry erase board so you know what it looks like. 35 cents. That's how you write 35 cents. Remember, want to count with me again? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I have 35 cents. All right. Now I have this little baggie here of pennies. I'm just going to grab grab a little stack of them. I want too many. Lay them all out and count them. Now, a penny is worth 1 cent. So when I'd be counting the pennies, I'm going to count them by saying 1, counting by ones. So you can count with, we'll do the top row first. I don't even know how many I put there. I'll count them with me. Oh, you know what? You can't even see all my pennies. Let me move all this back. Just make sure you can see everything. There you go. Now you can see it all, huh? Sure, it's showing up on my computer screen. I'm using a Chromebook. All right. Ready? Let's count together. We're counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go to the next row. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 cents. And that's how I would write it, 15 cents. So if I want 15 cents with my nickels, I'm going to take some of these guys away. I would have 5, 10, 15. I'm going to move these guys out of here. This is 15 cents, but I only have 3 coins because they're worth more. They're worth 5. 5, 10, 15. These you count by ones. So if I wanted to buy something that was 15 cents, say I had a little rubber ball and I wanted to buy it for 15 cents, I could give either 3 nickels, that equals 15, or 15 pennies, because that also equals 15. But these are only worth 1 each. That's why we count them by 1, 2, 3, 4. These are worth 5. So when we count them by fives. 5, 10, 15. You erase this 35 off here so it doesn't throw you off. So I have 15 cents here, and I have 15 cents here. I just have more coins. All right, that's hopefully try to help you understand a little bit about money. We'll practice, and it's good to practice at home. Practice at home with counting money, and that's why on the 100 charts I've been practicing with you by fives and tens and twos and all that. Well, there's no money worth twos, but twos kind of help you count with learning your even and odd numbers. All right, so a nickel is worth how many cents? 5 cents. So trace your 5. Trace your 5, and then I want you to count. We're going to go over here to the green turtle. How many pennies do I have here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's also 5 cents. See how just 1 nickel is 5 cents? The 5 pennies is also 5 cents. So write a 5 there. How many pennies do I have here with the yellow star? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 cents. How much is a nickel worth? I'm not going to tell you. So go ahead and write your answer down. Let's see if you're right. See if you're right. 5 cents. And they try to trick you because they flip it over. They always try tricking you. Flip it over. They flip the nickel over. So how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. It's just the back side of it. Doesn't make it any different. Doesn't make it any different if it's heads or tails. You ever hear heads or tails? You flip a coin for heads or tails. It's heads, that's tails. All right, let's count how many with the orange butterfly. Count how many pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write me a 5 there. All right, 5 cents. Turn your page over. Ooh, you get to buy some things back here. They want to know how much each of these items cost. There's a little sales tags. It says, write how many cents, circle the coins that show 5 cents. So we're going to circle the group of coins. So right here, trace your 5. How many pennies do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 cents. You're going to circle your whole group of coins. Circle the group and trace the 5. So you're just circling the whole group because that equals, they want you to circle the ones that equal 5 cents. Let's move over to the little yo-yo. And how much is the yo-yo? How much is a nickel? 5 cents. And what do they want you to circle? 5 cents. You're going to circle your nickel also. So write 5 down, 5 cents. and also circle your nickel. Okay. How much is the cute little choo-choo train? That's a cute little choo-choo train. Little engine for the choo-choo train, huh? Once again, they try to trick you. They flip that nickel over. How much is the nickel worth? 5 cents. So write your 5, circle your nickel. All right, and with this cute little rubber doggy. He's so cute. How much does he cost? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. And we're not circling those because it's not, they only want you to circle the ones with 5s. So you just write your 4. Okay, so hopefully you understand your math a little bit better. Tomorrow we'll be talking about dimes, and dimes are worth 10 cents. You'll be counting by tens with those. So we'll review all those things. And like if you get a chance at home, you punch out all your little coins and practice counting. Some of you have older brothers or a sister. Get your older brothers or a sister to count with you. They should know how to count money by then too. All right, so get your Bible out. We're going to pray, talk some more about Peter, and finish our day. Oh, I forgot to tell you your handwriting. I forgot to tell you this one. Cookbook. You make a compound word. That was, I forgot to say with the phonics. Sorry about that. So you have that to do today too. And you can color your cookbook, whatever. Well, make the food look like real food, huh? But cookbooks come in all colors. All right, so yeah, cookbook. Make a compound word. All right, that's what I forgot to tell you for today. All right, let's get our Bible out next and get ready to pray.